Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, April.
You have 4 meetings scheduled today, Paul. I've already booked your taxi. It's waiting outside for you. It's going to be a windy day, so here's some music to keep your energy up.
At Sapphire, we've been at the forefront of balcony innovation for over 30 years. We're proud to introduce the next generation of balcony technology. Balcon-AI is designed to enhance assembly and installation processes. It turns real-world data into actionable insights thanks to a smart chip installed in every balcony.
Assembly checks complete. Balcony approved for installation.
When it comes to construction site, Balcon-AI performs all the necessary checks to ensure everything is safe.
April, perform assembly check.
Connection secure. Installation complete.
In real-life scenarios, it uses environmental data to assist users in real time in smarter ways.
I've detected crow activity nearby. I'll play a music to reduce the disturbance for you.
Thanks, April. That's much better.